Hey guys, I'm gonna do the DOL for week 30. I'm gonna break it up by day this time because last week my video was way too long and so it wouldn't upload to YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and do each day separately. But remember, make sure that you do the DOL first and then come back and check the video. That way you can make sure that you're learning from any mistakes you make, or you know for sure that you're doing it the right way the first time. Okay? All right, here's Monday. All right, so on Monday, it looks like we are focusing on verbs. So we have to draw a line through the incorrect verb and write the correct verb above it. This is subject-verb agreement. So if there's two subjects, your verb has to reflect that. Akira and Josh is the best artists in our class. So instead of is, we need that to be are. They are. Our verb has to agree with our subject. One of my cousins are coming to my house for a party. So it's just one cousin. So one of your cousins is coming to my house for a party. The subject and the verb have to agree. Okay, circle the Greek and Latin roots. Write what the roots mean. So here we have visible. You would be underlining vis, V-I-S, and that means to see. Terminate. You're going to underline term, which means to end. Contact. We're going to underline tact, and that means touch. If you make contact, then you're touching that person. You're shaking their hand or something like that. Benefit. You're going to underline B-E-N-E, which means well. As in you're doing well. Okay, then we have to rewrite our sentence correctly. On St. Patrick's Day, I should be wear green in honor of the Irish. Okay, so on, beginning of our sentence, St. Patrick's Day should be capitalized because that's the name of a holiday. Saint is an abbreviation, so it needs a period. And the day belongs to St. Patrick, so we need a possessive apostrophe right there. I should be capitalized when it's by itself. Where is spelled incorrectly, should be W-E-A-R. Green in honor of the Irish. Irish is a nationality, so that also needs to be capitalized, and we're putting a period at the end. Now, our subject is I. Okay, our subject is I. What do? I wear green in honor of the Irish on St. Patrick's Day. So do you see what they did here? They broke up that predicate and actually they put this prepositional phrase on St. Patrick's Day. They put that at the beginning of the sentence. That makes this a dependent clause right here. So we actually need to add a comma after day. Okay, and so it says on St. Patrick's Day. Well, that's not a complete thought by itself. I wear green in honor of the Irish. That is complete by itself. So see, we had a 1, 1, 1. We needed to add that comma in there to make sure that we have 1, 1, 1. My job is done. Okay, then we have to write the past tense of the verbs. Instead of draw, it would be drew. Instead of fly, it would be flew. Instead of put, it actually would still be put. That's why it's irregular, because it stays the same. And instead of sleep, we slept. So these are irregular past tense. Usually we would add an ED, but we don't on these, so they're irregular. And then what change is needed, if any? Does my two friends get to play with us today? Okay, change does to do. Do my two friends get to play with us today? Okay, maybe we might need to do that because our subject and our verb need to agree. Change two to two, so do we have the wrong kind of two in there? No, two friends, that's the number and that's what we need. Okay, C, delete the question mark. Well, we are asking a question, so we do need that question mark. Or make no change, and we know that's not correct. So A is the best answer there. Okay, and I will see you again tomorrow for Tuesday's DOL. Bye, guys.